Good morning students, welcome to our maths class. Today we are going to discuss about the topic chapter 1 number system and exercise 1.3. Okay, now let us see the fifth Roman letter. Check the following for equality and if they are equal mention the property. Okay, see the first question. 8 minus 13 into 7 and 8 minus of 13 into 7. Okay. Now we have to find the property name. If they are equal means we have to mention the property name. Okay. So whether it is equal or not, we have to check it. Okay. Now I can take this one is the LHS and this we have to take RHS. Okay. So I can write here 8 minus 13 into 7 equal to, and this numbers we want to take RHS. So 8 minus of 13 into 7. Okay. So we have to check it whether it is equal or not. Okay. Let us see. 8 minus 13. See, both numbers are different sign, isn't it? So different sign means we need to subtract the number. So 13 minus 8. So what the answer? 5. And which one is the biggest number? 13. In front of the sign minus. So we want to mention here minus in our answer. And remaining multiple into 7. We want to answer the side here. Equal 8 minus. These two numbers we want to multiply. Isn't it? So 7 3s are 21. Remaining 2. And next 1 7s are 7. 7 plus 2 9. So 91. Okay, and next one. See, these are multiplication no. So we want to multiply. So 7 5s are or 5 7s are. What's the answer? 35. And see, different sign no. So different sign means we need to mention the minus in our answer because product, isn't it? So minus equal to these two numbers we want to subtract or addition. Subtract because see both numbers are different sign. So different sign means we need to subtract the number. Okay. So 91 minus 8. Okay. So see here 1, here 8. So this is the smallest number no. So we can borrow next number. So here 8 and here cancel to 11. Okay. So 11 minus 3. Sorry. 11 minus 8. What's the answer? 3. So here we put 3 and 8 as it is right here. Okay. And then I mentioned here 83. And see which one is the biggest number? 91. 95 in front of the same minus. So you want to mention here. See both are equal or not? Not equal. Isn't it? See here in left hand side minus 35 is there and right hand side minus 83 is there. So it is not equal. So we have to mention here not equal. Can you understand this? Okay, next see the second sum. Minus 6 minus of plus 8 multiple minus 4 and minus 6 minus of 8 multiple minus 4. So same like that. Okay. So now we want to check it whether it is equal or not. Okay. So I can take this one LHS. So minus 6 minus of plus 8 and multiple minus 4 equal minus 6 minus of 8 multiple of minus 4. Okay, now we want to check it. So first these two we want to simplify, isn't it? So minus 6 we need to multiply because we remove the bracket. So minus into plus. So opposite sign no, I mean different sign no. Different sign means we need to mention the minus in our answer and minus 8 and put the brackets, open bracket and close bracket and multiple minus 4 equal to minus 6 minus these two we want to simplify. Okay. And 8 into 4. 8 4s are 32. And see different sign. So different sign means we and mention the biggest number sign. So see, which one is the biggest number? 8. 8 in front of the sign minus. So I mentioned here. And multiple -4 equal to -6. So here we remove the bracket. Okay. So minus into minus. What's the answer? Same sign. We need to mention the sign plus in our answer. So plus 32. Right? Okay. And this two you want to multiply. See, in multiplication, same sign means we have to mention the plus in our answer. So mention here plus. Okay. And then we multiply the number, two numbers. So first 4 into 4, 4 4 16, remaining 1. And then 1 into 4, 4 plus 1, 5. That is answer is 56. Okay. And equal to these two numbers we want to subtract because different sign. So different sign means we need to subtract the number. So 32 minus 6. So here 32 minus 6. So we have to subtract the number. And see here smallest number, so we can't subtract. We can borrow the next number. Here 12, here 2. Okay. So 12 minus 6. The answer is 6. And 2 answer is you want to write there. Okay. And then so we have here we want to mention here. See which one is the biggest number? 32. So 32 in front of the sign plus. Now we have to see here 56, here 26. Is it equal? No. It is not equal. So not equal means we have no property name. Okay. If it is equal means we have to find the property name. Okay. So directly we want to write here not equal. Can you understand this? Okay students. Next. Shall we go to the third sum? Okay. Now see the third one. Same like that. So we have to check it whether it is equal or not. Equal means we have to find the property name. Right? So now we have to check it. See, I can take this LHS and this one RHS. So I can write here in question 3 multiple of -4 plus -10 and equal to 3 into -4 plus 3 into -10. Okay, now we want to check. So first of all, I can simplify inside the bracket. Okay, so 3 as it is you want to write here 3 multiple and -4. Now we remove the bracket. So see here we have to multiply, isn't it? So multiply means see plus into minus, which means different sign. Different sign means we need to mention the sign minus in our answer for multiplications. So minus 10 and equal to, so this two we want to multiply. So directly, so 3 4 are 12 and different sign. So mention here minus. Okay, right? And plus, see these two numbers we want to multiply. So 3 tens are 30 and see different sign. So different sign means we need to mention minus in our answer and put the bracket. Open and close the bracket. Okay, next come to the LHS. So 3 multiple inside the bracket we have to simplify. Okay, so see both are same sign. So same sign means we need to add the number. So 10 plus 4, what's the answer? 14 and mention the sign. Which one is the biggest number? So biggest number 10. The sign of 10 is minus. So you mention here minus. Okay, and we use the bracket, right? And equal to minus 12. See here, now we have to remove the bracket for this. So plus into minus, minus and 30. Okay, and then see these two numbers we want to multiply. First of all we mention the sign. So which sign will come? See, different sign. In multiplication, different sign means we need to mention the sign minus in our answer. Can you understand? Okay, next we multiply the number. So 3 into 14 sir. So 3 4s are 12, remaining 1. 1 3s are 3. 3 plus 1, 4. So the answer is 42 minus 42 equal to. And this one see both are same sign. Same sign means we need to add the number, right? So 30 plus 12. 0 plus 2, the answer is 42 and mention the sign in our answer. Now we have to see these two numbers. Which one is the biggest number? 30. So 30 in front of the sign minus. So we need to mention here minus in our answer. See here both are equal. See in LHS and RHS the answer is same. So it is equal. So we have to write it is equal. So equal means we have to mention the property name. So now let us see the property name. Which property? We have to find. Okay. Now see here. See in our questions. So how many numbers is that? So totally 3 numbers, isn't it? Here 3, 4, 10. Same here 3, 4, 10, isn't it? So 3 numbers we have to mention means the property means 2 property. So first one associative property and then distributive property. Okay. Now in associative property, let's see here. Here multiplication, here addition. So the property name will not come. Okay. Let's move to the next property, distributive property. So distributive property means in distributive property we have to see that we have to include 3 operations. Okay. So what are they means? Multiplication, addition, subtraction, isn't it? In quotients we use 3 operations means we can say directly we can say distributive property. In distributive property 2 formulas is there. What are they means? Distributive property over addition and distributive property over subtractions. Okay. Now let's see. See here. Here center we want to see. Here plus. Here plus. So the property name is distributive property over addition. So let's write the general formula. So what's the formula is? A multiple of B plus C equal to A multiple B plus A multiple C. Right? So this is the general formula for distributive property over addition. So same like that here also, isn't it? So the property name is we have to write distributive property over addition. Can you understand this? So distributive property over addition because see here in center plus is there. Suppose in our questions the center will minus will come means we have to write distributive property over subtractions. Have you cleared that? Okay, shall we move to second problem, which means next problem. See in sixth problem, during summer the level of the water in a pond decreases by 2 inches every week due to evaporations. And what is the change in the level of the water over a period of 6 weeks? So what they are asking means, see here in given in summer season the water level in a pond decreases. So how many inches? 2 inches decreases because due to evaporations for every week. Okay, and what they are asking means we have to find in 6 weeks the level of water we have to find. So how many inches we decrease for 6 weeks? Okay, let's see. Solution. See 1 week. So 1 week, how many inches decrease? See here in for every week. So 1 week. So 2 inches decrease. What's that? 2 inches decrease. Okay. Decreases means what? Minus, isn't it? So minus 2 inches. Right? For 1 week, minus 2 inches. And next we have to find 6 weeks. 6 weeks means we have to multiply and finally we get the answer. So how many inches decreases for 6 weeks? Okay. So we have to write here 6 weeks. So 6 weeks means we have to multiply 6 multiple minus 2. Right? So we use the bracket. minus sign in our answer. So minus 12 inches. Okay, in 6 weeks, how many inches decrease? 12 inches decreases. So we have to write minus 12 inches. So finally we want to write the in 6 weeks equal to minus 12 inches decrease. So what's that? Decrease. Can you understand this? Okay, next see the 7th sum. Find all possible pairs of integers that give a product of minus 50. So what they are asking, we have to find the possible pairs of minus 50. Okay, and product, which means product of minus 50 and pairs, possible pairs. Okay, now let's see here factors of 50. You know the factors. So what are the factors of 50? 1 into 50, 2 into 25, 5 into 10. Right? So these are the factors of 50. Now let us see how we have to write the possible pairs. The possible pairs are right here. So 1 into 50. These are the positive numbers. So what they are asking? Minus 50, negative. So we can write here minus 1, comma 50. So these are the pairs. Right? So minus 1 into 50, minus 50. We have to product means the answer will come minus 50. Okay? So this is the first pair. And we have to take another minus 50, comma 1. So this also pairs. We have to product minus 50 into 1. So the answer is minus 50. Right? So this is another one pair. And next, you got the next pair. So see here 2 into 25. So we have to take one side, we have to mention minus, and the next pair we have to put another number. Mention the minus. Clear? So minus 2, comma 25. So we have to product means multiplications. So minus 2 into 25, the answer is minus 50. So this is one pair. And next, minus 25, comma 2. So this is another pair. Right? And next, you got the next number. 5 into 10. So this is one pair. So we have to put the minus in number. Okay, so first minus 5, comma 10. We have to product means the answer will come minus 50. Okay, and then minus 10, comma 5. So this is last pair, isn't it? So we have to product means multiplications. We have to multiply means the answer will come minus 50. Okay, so have you understood this? Okay, so these are the possible pairs of minus 50. So we have to product means the answer will come minus 50. Can you understand this? Shall we move the next one? Okay, next see the objective type questions. Let's see the 8th one. Which of the following expressions is equal to minus 30? So see here in downside 4 option is there. So which options will come? The answer, which means equal to minus 30. We have to check it. So first see the first one. First option is minus 20 minus of minus 5 plus 2. So we have to simplify and is equal to minus 30. So we have to check it. The answer will come equal to minus 30. Is it equal or not? We have to check it. Okay. See here. So first I write here minus 20 minus of. See inside we have to simplify. So both the different sign. Different sign means we have to subtract the number. Okay. See here. So here not plus. So here multiplications. Okay. So multiply. 5 plus 10. We use the bracket 10 and see here different sign. So different sign means we mention the sign minus in our answer. So 2 5s are, what's the answer? 10. We want to multiply. So 2 5s are 10. Center plus. So plus 4 5s are 20. So right here both are same sign. So same sign means we need to add the number. So 10 plus 20, 30. So the answer is 30. Okay. So plus 30, isn't it? So it is not equal to minus 30. So plus 30, the answer will come plus 30. So it is not equal to minus 30. So third options will not come. And go to the last one, fourth one. So we have to check it. Minus 6. Okay, see, in center see, multiplication, no. So multiplications, first of all, we want to multiply the number. 6 paisa, 30, right? And different sign. So different sign means, we need to mention the sign minus in our answer. So minus 30. So it is equal to minus 30, right? So the which options will come? Fourth options. Therefore, the answer is which option? 41. So this is the correct one. Minus 6 into plus 5. So fourth option is the correct answers for these questions. Okay. Okay. Next, see the last questions. 9th one. Which property is illustrated by the equations 5 into 2 plus 5 into 5 equal to 5 into 2 plus 5. So we have to find the property name. So this is which property? See here 4 option is there. So first one commutative property, second one closure property, third one distributive property, and fourth one associative property. So which properties will come? We have to find it. Okay, now see here. See how many integers, which means how many numbers is there? So totally 3 numbers. What are they? 5, 2. That's it. So 2 numbers also here we can take. Okay. See here which operations is there? Totally 2 operations is there. Okay. 2 or more operations will come means the property name distributive property. Okay. See here multiple plus multiple, isn't it? So here multiplications and additions, isn't it? So we have to directly we can identify the property name distributive property. Okay, in our see here commutative property means we can take 2 numbers, isn't it? The property name means a plus b equal to b plus a for addition and a multiple b equal to b multiple a. So for multiplication. So this property will not come. And go to the closure property. Closure property also we can take 2 numbers. Okay, so a multiple b equal to a multiple b only. Or this is for multiplication, a plus b addition, a minus b subtractions. So these are the closure property. But here c will not come. So closure property not satisfied. And go to the distributive property. Distributive property means we have to take 2 more operations. See here multiplication, here additions. Okay, so this one is the distributive property. So answer third one is right one. And associative property we can take 3 numbers, but here in associative only 1 operations only we can use. But here see 2 operations we can use this. So associative property will not come. So final answer is distributive property. Okay, and next move to the second one. 10th one. See here, this one is the multiplications. Directly we want to multiply, isn't it? First of all, we have to mention the symbol. See here multiplications, different means. In multiplications, different sign will come means we have to mention the sign minus in our answer. So 1 into 11 or 11 into 1. So any number multiple with 1 means the answer will come same number only. So the answer is minus 11. So which option is there? So totally 4 options is given. But which options will come? So fourth one. So the answer is fourth one. Right? And next last one. 11th one. Minus 12 into minus 10. We have to multiply the numbers. First we have to identify the sign in our answer. See in multiplications same sign. So same sign means we have to mention the sign plus in our answer. Right? And 12 into 9. So what's the answer? First of all 9 2s are 18. So here 8, remaining 1, and 1 9s are 9. 9 plus 1, 10. So the answer is plus 108. So which options? Totally 4 options is given. So which options will come? First one. So the answer is first one. Okay. So objective text over. Can you understand this? Shall we move the next one? Okay. Today our teaching part is over. Next, homework. See here, homework. Third one, let us check if they are equal, mention the property. Which means same like that. In before we have to see in our classwork, no. So same method. If they are equal means we have to mention the property name. Okay, see the first question. 7 minus 15 multiple 4 and 7 minus of 15 multiple 4. So check whether it is equal or not. Equal means we have to mention the property name. If you not equal means no need to mention the property. Okay, equal only we have to mention the property name. Okay, next, fourth one. Find all possible pairs of integers that give a product of minus 30. Okay, we have to find the possible pairs of minus 30. So first of all we have to find the factor of 30. So factor of 30 means we can easily find the pairs of minus 30. Means we have to change and we have to write and put the symbol also change and write, and we have to find the possible pairs. Clear? And next, fifth one. The temperature drops by 2 degree for 4 hours. What is the total drop in temperatures? So same model for in classwork sums. Okay, same type that. The temperature drops by 2 degree for 4 hours. In 4 hours 2 degree temperatures drops. Which means we have to find the total drops. So we have to find total drops for temperature. Which means 4 into 2 we want to multiply and then find the answer. So totally how many temperatures we have to find finally. Okay, and then next, sixth one. If the football team lost 12 yards on each of 4 consecutive plays, what was the team's total change in position for the 4 plays? So we have to find the total. So in a team, 12 yards on each 4 consecutive plays. So 12 yards for lost means we have to find the total change in position for the 4 plays. So totally 4 plays we have to find. Okay, so 4 consecutive plays means next. So that one is the 4 consecutive. So finally we have to find the total change the position for 4 plays, which means 4 into 12. Okay, lost means what? Minus, isn't it? So we have to find 4 into minus 1. So we get the answer. Okay, so after complete the homework, you should take the photo and send to your class teachers. Okay, thank you.